Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix game chat on Fortnite in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the game library. If you click on your game library, right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to fix game chat on Fortnite, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. Once you're here, go ahead and search for sound. Once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio for TV speakers, and 3D audio for headphones, and lastly, volume. Go ahead and click on microphone, and then here you're gonna find input device, adjust microphone level, microphone status when logged in, and microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. Right now, go ahead and click on input device, and then right here, go ahead and choose the microphone you're using. As you can see guys, in my case, right now I'm using the microphone on my controller. And after you do that, go ahead and click on adjust microphone level. And then from here, just click on microphone level here in the bottom and then adjust your microphone level. You can either increase it or decrease it. And you can also hear your sound in the background. So once you finish, just go back and then all of your changes will be saved and your game chat on Fortnite should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.